Hi, I'm Debbie.
And I'm Tim.
And we chose Gabriel with Step Up Construction to do both our kitchen and our bathroom, master bath. And we're ecstatic. We're just thrilled with the way that it came out. We moved into the house in '92, and at that time had a kitchen done, but at that time had a peninsula, mostly golden oak, throughout the house. And our appliances, 30 years later, were no longer working, and we decided it's time to modernize. And the same with the bathroom. We were so impressed with Gabriel's crew. Could not have been more efficient, clean, really took care of everything, wrapping up at the end of each workday. Sam was just phenomenal. I can't speak highly. And Izzy every day would text us and tell us exactly what would be happening that day, when people would arrive, who would we expect, what we would expect done, completed in that day. We were just thrilled with the crew. I've never had a contractor who had a project manager that daily would be in touch with us, stop by the house. 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning, we'd get a text what time the crew would be arriving every day. He stopped by the house every day to make sure we were satisfied. If there were any issues, we were able to share that with him, and he had a conversation with the crew. It was extremely professional and very fast in many ways in terms of their getting things done in a timely manner.